Hello out there, Malik here. You're welcome to this session of cloud computing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create bulk users and groups used in Microsoft Azure. To begin with, let's dive into the screen. So I'll first of all come here and click Microsoft Entra ID. So it's loading now. On the Microsoft Entra ID, under manage, you see users. So in these users, if I click on it, it will load and show me the user section. So the users page has finished loading. We have here, where you can create the bulk users, other bulk operations. So when you click on the bulk operations, it will show you the list of activities you can do. You can download users, you can create bulk users, you can create do bulk invite, and you can even do bulk delete. So the bulk invite is for you to invite people with bulk, and you can use this to delete multiple users. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how you can create bulk users. So I will click on the bulk create now. So right now, the bulk create option section has opened up. So you have one, two, three. The first one is for you to download the CSV template. You understand? Though that is optional, but it's good you download it. You can see the way the settings are being placed, so you know how to arrange your users in it. The second option is for you to edit the CSV file on your system after downloading it. Then, when you're done editing it, you go ahead and upload the new users. So I'm going to go straight away and download the CSV file. So I'm going to download it to my system right away. So I have been able to download the CSV file, of the template which I'm going to edit. So the minute I'm done editing it, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So the minute I'm done editing it, I'll just enter the necessary users, the bulk users, which I'm going to insert in my user list on my Azure account. So when I'm done editing it, I will enter them and I'll click on upload, re-upload it and add. So let me quickly edit and add the necessary users before I upload it back to my Azure account users list. So I have added extra users on the bulk creation, from the CSV file which I downloaded earlier on. So the next thing I'm going to do now, excuse me, the next thing I'm going to do now is to upload the CSV file. So to upload it, I'll just click on this section, to select the file for my system. So after uploading the CSV file, it's going to come up here. Then you scroll down and click submit. So it's showing in progress now. As you can see, it's showing file successfully uploaded. So to confirm it, you need to refresh this page. At the moment, I have just two users, which is this and this. So I need to refresh this page to see my new bulk upload. So the moment I refresh the page, it's showing all the users, including the ones that were there before. So you're making a total of 4. That's how to go about creating a bulk users. Instead of you uploading one user at a time, which is taking a lot of time, you can just, create a bulk user, using your Excel sheet, add them all, then upload automatically. They will all be listed in your users list. So the next one is to show you how you can create a group. With a group, you will be able to add several users under it, where they can be assigned for different roles. To do that, you just come to this section under the manage, line. You can see it say groups. So you click on groups. So when the group page finished loading, the next thing you do is to click on new group. So the new group page will open, and here you can enter all the information to create your group. So you have your group name here. Let's call it admin. And group description. Let's say the group for admini, administrative activities. Then the membership type is going to be there by default. So, like I was saying, the membership type is going to be there by default, with assigned. Then the owners, you can just come to this section that says no owner selected. So you click on it, it will pop out all the users, in your Azure account, where you can select the one that will represent the owners. You can see all the list of your users, in your Azure account have popped up. You can just select, like since I am the admin here, I can just select the first option, as a owner. Then I'll scroll down and click on select. So one owner is there by default. Then I scroll down again, other the members. I click on this section that says no member selected. So when I click on it, it will take me to where I will select the members, that will be assigned to the group for a specific role. So here are the different users in my Azure account, and is right here. I will select the members that will be assigned different roles. So I can just select George. I can select George, who is a user. I scroll down again and look for other users, because others are there by default. So I select Michael Peter and I select Mike. So the minute I'm done with my selection, I'll just click on select. So when I'm done filling all this information, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on create. You can say it's create a group. So after undergoing all that processes to create my group, successfully I was able to create it. And here's a group, admin, you know. So that's how to go about creating users, bulk users, and group. You can also do the same thing with groups. When you go back to the Entra section. So with Microsoft Azure, you can create your bulk users, also create your bulk group. So if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, for which I'll be releasing more good content like this. See you next time.